Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the possibility of legal casinos here in Thailand. And a recent article from ASEAN Now, that's ASEANnow.com, brought this to my attention. Title is Legal Public Casinos Set for Top-Level Government Discussions This Week. For decades, it has been one of Thailand's hottest of hot potatoes. Now, leading Thai Civilized Party founder Mongkol Kit Suksen Tharanon is throwing his weight behind the proposals for a legalized casino in Thailand. Quoting further, he published details on his Facebook page how the issue will be raised on Thursday in the House. His comment was, quote, time to stop hiding, unquote, and, quote, bring the issue to the top table, unquote. So, interesting. We've kind of been talking about this every now and again occasionally when it kind of comes up in the news. I somewhat liken it to, I did a lot of talk about travel bubbles during 2020, even into 2021 for a little while, and never really came to fruition. These casinos, they do continuously seem to discuss it, and oftentimes there never seems to be any momentum behind it. My personal opinion is I think this might get some momentum, mostly due to the fact that, look, the tourism sector is really suffering. There's major shortfalls in what we're used to in the tourism economy, and casinos might be viewed by folks in the parliament as a way to assuage that. Now, whether or not that's correct, there are arguments for and against legalized gambling. I personally have worked in the gaming sector, and there are positives and negatives. There are benefits and there are drawbacks to legalizing gambling, and you have to be careful when you're doing it. But that said, it's interesting that this is being brought up, and we will certainly keep folks updated, especially if there are developments with respect to the possibility of new legislation on this topic. We will definitely keep folks updated on this topic as the situation evolves.